All right, so as you can see, it does have a USB-C here. We're going to take our USB-C cord here, which I have plugged in to a power source. You can have it on your computer, or you could have it on a power block. We're just going to plug it in. And you can see right now that red light's on. That means it's charging. We're just going to let these sit here and charge, and we'll come back in a couple hours, and we'll try them out and see if we like them. All right, these babies are fully charged. Let's go ahead and pop them off there. And I think we're ready to rock and roll. Let's go on here. Let's open up our settings. Let's go to Bluetooth. And let's see if we can see these on here. Bluetooth's on. Let's just go ahead and turn it off, and then let's turn it back on. So now it's looking at seeing all of the different items that I have. And so to connect it, I think I need to press this button here. Power on. You heard it just said power on. So now we should see a blue light there. You'll also hear it say pairing. And here it is. It just showed up on here. Give it a chance to initialize. Let's go ahead and just click that. And bam, Bob is your uncle. Check it out. We are now connected. All right, let's try these babies out. All right, here we go. Put them on. And we're gonna go ahead and listen to some music. I've got to turn on the music. Library. And we'll just listen to something off of here.
Virgin Gorda, San Juan Bay, Key West, Marco, where I stay, Alvarado, Rodeo Ray, Cancun, Padre, I'm on my way.
These are awesome. All right, these are awesome. To turn it up and down, you've got on the side here, you can change the volume. Pretty simple. And if I wanted to, I could flip them around so it'd be on my right side. If you're left-handed, you might want it here. If you're right-handed, you might want it on there. But these are amazing for 26 bucks. Just really good. All right, you can also connect this to the computer with this cord here. And you plug it in right down on the bottom here like this. And then you could take this and you could plug it into your computer or any device and listen. That's your on button right there. That's your volume down, your volume up, and that tells you that you're charged when it's blue light. And that's all there is to this thing, really. I mean, I gotta say, they're super comfortable, number one. The sound's fantastic, number two. And they're only $26, number three. You can't beat it. Big earmuffs. That's what you want. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.